Everyone, and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the PrimeXBT mobile application on your smartphone.
To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick, and let's get started.
First of all, if you're on iOS, then you will want to go to the iOS App Store. And if you're on Android, then just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And now use the search box to search for PrimeXBT. Once you find the application, just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the PrimeXBT application. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete. And then once you see the open button, just tap on it and this will open up the PrimeXBT application. You will now be asked to log in or sign up. You can continue with logging in to your existing account, or you can sign up and create a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the PrimeXBT mobile application on your smartphone.
If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.